Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular countertop ice makers, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker. In this video, we'll explore their features, performance, and which one offers the best value for your needs. Whether you're looking for chewable nugget ice or classic bullet ice, we've got you covered. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for beverages and is often preferred for its texture. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker produces classic bullet ice, available in two sizes, making it versatile for various drinks. While nugget ice is favored for its chewability, bullet ice is more common and can chill drinks quickly. When it comes to price, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is positioned as a premium option at $219.99, reflecting its higher capacity and specialized ice type. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is budget-friendly at just $79.99, making it an attractive choice for casual users or those on a tight budget. This significant price difference highlights the varying target audiences for these machines. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker has a moderate production speed, capable of producing up to 35 pounds of nugget ice per day, but takes longer to create each batch. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker excels with a rapid production rate, generating 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it ideal for quick gatherings or parties. This speed can be a deciding factor for users who need ice in a hurry. In conclusion, choosing between the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker ultimately depends on your ice preferences and budget. If you prioritize high-quality nugget ice and don't mind spending more, the Kismile is a great choice. However, if you're looking for an affordable, portable option that produces ice quickly, the Sweetcrispy is hard to beat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.